Hi, it's Adam from Stratco here. Today I'd like to introduce you to our brand new Stratco manufactured air conditioner cover. We've got a timber unit on range, but we're just launching today our coloured steel slate grey version. It takes about 15 minutes to put together, and I'll show you how to do it right now. Okay, the box says it all. It's easy DIY. As I said, it's about a 15-minute install. Probably the hardest thing to do is peel all the plastic film off. The plastic film's great because it protects all of the components, so nothing will be marked inside of the box. Please check your size on your air conditioner. This one will fit most units. Tools that you'll need, most importantly of course gloves, your PPE, some goggles because we're putting some screws into holes, and either a screwdriver. You can use a screwdriver, but today I'll use a cordless drill. That'll make it that little bit easier. So one of the first things you'll notice when you open the box is the excellent instructions. The instructions highlight the 6 components that there are really to build it. I'm not one for instructions, but reading these ones, it's simple and easy, and it'll give you a better product in the end. As you start to look at the sides and the front and the top of the air conditioner cover, you'll notice that they're all covered in this fantastic plastic film. That's to protect it during transport and while you start to build it. Do not leave this film on. It'll blister under normal sunlight and then you'll never be able to get it off. So very important to take it off straight away. The sides themselves have these terrific rubber grommets on them to stop any vibration when the unit's actually running. So that'll protect you for sound. And probably the last thing in this part is it's really important to have the unit at least 100 mil off the wall for maximum ventilation. So that's 100 mil off your wall. So how do we build a Stratco air conditioner cover? Well, the first thing you do is actually we put the sides on. Very easy, it's just 2 screws, top and bottom. Once we've done that, left and right, then we put the lid on. So the lid sits on the outside on the front and the back, and it just sits on the inside on top. And again, 2 simple screws. And lastly, there's the 2 gutter miters on the back, which require 3 screws each, and they go in the top left-hand and right-hand corner. So here's a handy tip. Just before we put the miters on the back, the 2 of them, keep your box and lay your unit in the box lid just so you don't scratch the front. Just when you're peeling the plastic off the louvers, the best thing to do is actually, from the back, is just flick off the plastic from the edge on all of those edges. Just flick it off a little bit, then that'll enable you to simply pull the plastic all the way down. Well, thanks for watching how to build a Stratco air conditioner cover. 6 easy components. Don't forget to peel the plastic off. Must be at least 100 mil off the wall. Enjoy your new stylish unit.